Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC, home of the working stiffs everyday carry. Got another quick one, an unboxing from the OM, I think Amazon. Another one of the little, the tack knives, our TACTICALGEARZ brand. No, you can't tear that. Most people would, but why? Why tear it? Got this thing in a foil. Little, man, they send these little sheaths. I mean, they're not much. Probably put their money elsewhere on them. It's got the micarta handles, little gentleman's knife. Ball on the clip. A couple of these knives I've seen, they try to have that premium look, and they go with the D2 steel. Got the Tanto. I'm pretty sure it's what this is. Stainless steel liners, line lock, looking pretty centered. That's a pretty good feeling knife right out of the box. I think this was like 30 or 40 bucks. So that's two of these knives, and right out the box, both of them's been pretty nice. This is kind of adding to that gentleman look, doctor's knife, gentleman's knife, because I mean it's all enclosed. Get a little caught the table. It's a good action, good pop on it. Let's see how it closes. It'll struggle a little bit. There's no jimping or nothing on that lock bar. It's slick. A little bit of a cutout, but let's see here. Not bad, not bad. We'll carry it, take a look at it, and see how she does. Remember, stay sharp, stay safe.